everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to use AI to generate product descriptions in Google Sheets. So let's suppose I am running a store and I am adding the products daily on that website. Now I want that whenever I add a new product in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the content should be automatically generated, which means the product description should be automatically generated with the help of OpenAI. Here I am going to use my AI agent as OpenAI, and then this generated content should be automatically updated to my row in Google Sheets spreadsheet. Doing this manually will consume a lot of time, so I am completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Google Sheets and OpenAI. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I am going to add a new detail in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, the content or the product description will be automatically generated with the help of my AI agent, and it will be automatically updated in my Google Sheets spreadsheet row. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to see how to use AI to generate product description in Google Sheets. For this, I'm going to open my Google Sheets and I'm going to add the product name, category and keywords, and you will see automatically the product description will be generated with the help of this AI agent OpenAI. I'm going to open my Google Sheets and enter the fields like, here I've entered the details: yoga blue mat, category is fitness, target keywords are non-slip yoga mat, and you can see that instantly in no time the description was created and added back to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to use AI to auto-generate product descriptions in Google Sheets. For this, we are going to create automation between Google Sheets, OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now, after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button. And first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first, let's name this workflow as use AI to generate product descriptions in Google Sheets. And now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders which have been created. And here I'm going to select this as AI agent and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to use AI to generate product description in Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to add a new product detail in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, I will be adding the product name, category, target keywords. The AI is automatically going to generate the description of this product and add that to my Google Sheets, which means whenever I'm going to add a new product name, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when I'm going to add a new product and then action says do this, then generate the description and add that to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking Google Sheets, and in my action application, I will be taking my AI agent as OpenAI. So here I have taken my trigger application as Google Sheets, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select this as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect my Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So reading the help desk, I'm going to build this connection, and to make this connection, let me open my Google Sheets. So this is the spreadsheet which I've created by the name product description, and I have all these fields: product name, category, target keywords, and the AI description, and then send this to Pabbly Connect workflow. So here I have entered the details. The product name is rustic wooden wall. Category is home decor. The target keywords are wooden wall clock, rustic design, silent movement. Now I want to generate the description based on the name, category and keyword which I have added. So I am going to send this data to my Pabbly Connect workflow first. For that I have to go towards this extensions, go to add-ons and then click on this get add-ons. Here Google Workspace Marketplace will appear in front of me where I need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks. And it is showing install because I have already installed this in my Google Sheets. But if you are doing this for the first time, make sure that you follow the same process and install this. Now after that you install this, it will start appearing over here, and from here you have to go towards this initial setup. So this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So this is the same webhook URL which I'm provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. And then I need to enter the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data entry column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So here my final data entry column or the end column is column C over here. As you can see, the target keywords is the final data entry column on which I have added the data and not the description one, because I will be updating this column with the AI generated response. So here my trigger columns happens to be column C on which I'm going to add the final data. So trigger column simply means the end data on which I'm going to add the details. So here in my trigger column, I'm simply going to write column C and then click on this send test. You will see that all the data will be sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow. Here we can see the test data sent successfully. And now to make the setup, I'm going to click on this submit. And you will see the setup will be configured. Here we have successfully added the webhook URL which we were provided in Pabbly Connect workflow in this particular Google Sheet spreadsheet. And now we have to follow a very important step. We have to go towards this extensions, go to Pabbly Connect webhooks and then click on the send on event. So this step will make sure whatever data we add in future, it is sent to Pabbly Connect. So after this, I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect workflow and you will see that I have received the response. Trigger column is column C. Here I have received the target keywords, the spreadsheet name, product name and the category. Here as soon as I have added the data, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup that we have created with the help of the webhook URL between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets that is successful. And now whenever I am going to add a new data in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever I'm going to add a new data, I want to generate the product description with the help of AI. Here I'm going to use it as OpenAI. And then in my action event, I'm going to select this as ChatGPT and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I have to enter the token. Following the help desk given below, I'm going to enter this token and I'm going to click on the hyperlink. And here I have landed towards this API keys page. To create a new API key, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. First, I have to provide the name. So let's say the name is test. The project will be default project and the permissions will be all. And then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to me, which I need to copy and simply paste that over in my Pabbly Connect. Now over here I have already an existing connection, so I'm going to select it and then I'm simply going to click on this save. I have already created the connection multiple times, that's why I've selected the existing connection. Over here I need to enter the AI model and the prompt. So from this drop down I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-4o mini. If you do not find your AI model, simply toggle on this button, remove this AI model and enter your own AI model. Here as I have my AI model in the drop down, I have selected that. Next I need to enter the prompt. So I am going to enter the prompt in a way that I have received the response from my Google Sheets, the product name, category, keywords and everything, and I want to generate the product description based on that data. So I'm going to enter the prompt like, write a short, catchy, SEO optimized product description for an e-commerce website. Product name, category, target keywords. Output should be description in 2-3 sentences that highlights key features, benefits and appeal to online buyers. Now I'm going to enter the rest of the details like the product name, category and target keywords, but I'm not going to enter this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. Here I have received the response from Google Google Sheets, and when I click on this field, I can see this Google Sheets over here, and when I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. So I'm going to enter the category which is home decor, and then I'm going to enter the product name which is rustic wooden wall clock, and then I'm going to enter the keywords which are these. Now over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now that I've entered all these details, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. And here I have received the response. In this message content, I have my response. Transform your space with our rustic wooden wall clock, a perfect blend of elegant design and thoughtful craftsmanship featuring a charming rustic aesthetic. So this is a very perfect product description which I can add to my product. So here I have received the response and I am going to open my Google Sheets and update my column, which is this one. I want to update this column. I have clicked on this add action step button and then I'm going to again search for Google Sheets, and then in my action event I'm going to search for update row and then click on connect. Here, as I have already an existing connection, now I'll go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Select your account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets and give away the permissions because your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I am going to click on the save. And here Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect. I have to first select the spreadsheet. So the name of my spreadsheet is product description. I have selected that. Next, I need to enter this row index. So as my row index will keep changing whenever I'm going to add the new data in the spreadsheet, I'm going to map this instead of manually entering this. And over here, if I open my Google Sheets response, this is the row index. So I have mapped that. These fields I have already added, so I'm going to skip this and then I'm simply going to enter the response which I have received for this product description in this field. I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request and let's wait for the response. Here it is. Now open my Google Sheets. So I'm going to open my Google Sheets spreadsheet and here we can see that we have received the response. This is the same description which we have generated with the help of my AI agent OpenAI and added that to Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now to summarize, we took Google Sheets as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, which captured the data from Google Sheets, and then we want to generate the product description with the help of OpenAI. As soon as the description was generated, we added that back to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And here we have successfully created automation between Google Sheets and OpenAI with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.